Vocational Education and Training, VET, provides important benefits by increasing employability and smoother school-for-work transition. It contributes to reducing skill shortages and gaps, increasing entrepreneurships and innovation, and fosters social inclusion. Of our EU translational mobility is a relevant key factor for shaping the youth European identity and developing technical skills suited for the fast-changing and interlinked labour market requirements. VET internships across the countries of the partnered educational institutions, basing on the features of the different national VET systems and enterprise structures. Activities were aimed to create and test hands-on guidelines for organizing, monitoring and evaluating VET mobility experiences abroad. Rationale VET mobility, internship contributed to increase job chances on the European and domestic markets, strengthen soft skills, and develop key competencies for adapting to career shifts and ensuring employability. Improve English and learn the language of host countries, develop an international spirit and a European personality. Teacher mobility gave the opportunity to exchange good practices and plan activities with fellow colleagues and course trainers. Documents and forms were collectively discussed and elaborated in order to survey, process and match needs and expectations of all the involved stakeholders. Different types of questionnaires have been set up and tested in order to analyze the motivation of stakeholders to experience and manage internships. Forms for collecting needs and expectations of companies, students and mentor teachers were formulated as their understanding was considered essential for a proper organization of internships. A checklist of necessary documents in mobilities was created, like learning agreements for defining mutual duties, students' activities, and learning outcomes to be shared and subscribed by the stakeholders. A logbook model was developed with the purpose of monitoring daily activities and receiving feedback from the students. A computerized version was also tested, which facilitated the form completion and allowed a real-time analysis of students' activities and requirements. Evaluation questionnaires were set up to allow students and companies to assess the WBL process by indicating both successful and critical points. Practical manual for schools, companies and learners has been edited in order to make the internship a valuable and unforgettable experience for all the stakeholders involved.